Well, a gorgeous setting sun here as we cross through the 6 o'clock hour. That's up in Grand Forks. Quieter weather there, less snowfall, but the cold has caused some icy spots. And speaking of icy spots, we want you to know partially covered roads in blue across parts of eastern North Dakota. And the pink colors you see here are indicative of areas that have completely covered roads in the northeastern quadrant of South Dakota, and a few of those in the James River Valley as well. Here is a look as we head through the rest of our week. Okay, I'm just a messenger. Let's get through this. Tomorrow, enjoy the morning. It's going to be quiet for us while the snow begins in the western Dakotas. Here in the southern Red River Valley, our chances increase greatly for some widespread and accumulating snow into Wednesday. Wednesday morning impacts, Wednesday night drive time impacts, and the main event arrives on Thursday. There'll be more impacts, and it's looking increasingly likely that it'll be more southern oriented as well. Let's get right to it. How about Tuesday? We can enjoy most of the day. The morning drive quiet. The afternoon drive will have a much better chance of seeing some snow showers as well. And then heading into Wednesday afternoon, there will be impacts. And I will have more on that in a second. But right now, we have a winter weather advisory posted for the eastern third of North Dakota. This is for Tuesday night and particularly on Wednesday when those travel impacts will be most likely as we head through the day. Let's go ahead and take a look at the current conditions right now out at Hector International. It's 8 degrees, north winds gusting to 33 miles per hour at this time. Here is a peek at your temperatures, and look at this. Wadena, Brainerd, and Alexandria all in the 30s, and then things just really drop off like a 2-ton heavy thing into the central Dakotas, where Bismarck has a fresh 10 to 12 inches of snow and temperatures in the single digits. There's your Tuesday weather maker getting started in the Black Hills. And now that is going to impact the western and central Dakotas. If your travel takes you out there tomorrow morning, be advised you're going to run into another round of accumulating snow in those areas. Here's our timing in the eastern third of the state. We're going to have those winds tonight quiet down and temperatures plummet. We'll be either side of 0 degrees. The best chance that the real cold stuff will be up to the north. Snow showers get started along the South Dakota border as we head into the morning hours. For us, quiet but cold. Now, as we head into the midday hour, the snow starts to push into our James River Valley counties. And here it is, 4 o'clock, pushing in from the south some snow. Very little in the way of accumulation yet, so I think your drive time in most locations will be quiet and no snow at all on the far north. Now, heading into the late night hours, that's when things start to accumulate in our area. And we will see accumulations by Tuesday night of around an inch here in the valley. But by your Wednesday morning, many of us here in the Red River Valley, 2 to 4 inches of snow. Heavier pockets upwards of 3 to 6 inches now near the South Dakota border. Main event time. Let's talk about Thursday, Friday, first alert weather days. A major storm that's pretty slow moving, a 2-day event working its way through the region. Will have travel impacts region wide if you're heading out of the area. Now, again, up north, lower impacts. See the heavier snow bands developing very early on Thursday morning. Yeah, our Wednesday system is just getting out of town, and this one gets started. Lasting the better part of Thursday. By Thursday night, the snow bands could be heavier, particularly I-94 and points south. There could be shifts in the track and timing of this system, by the way. That wind and snow lasts into your Friday morning and then exits gradually throughout the day. Notice that the Minneapolis area and southern counties will have a decent chance of some very significant snow. Temperatures tomorrow, 3 in Fargo. Ramp it up to near 20 degrees as we warm up. Our chances for snow increase after 8 o'clock here in the FM area. Planning forecast, it looks snowy into Wednesday with impacts of both the morning and afternoon drive as the snow shifts into Minnesota around, well, I don't know what round it is, but the main event Thursday into Friday. Saturday, models are indicating another chance for some snow before things quiet down. The rest of the 11 days shows maybe some warmer weather returning by the end of the following week.
There's too many rounds of snow there.
It's been very busy, yes. So we'll keep our eyes on it and have your app, VNL weather app, handy.
Good week for it. Yeah. Thanks, Hutch.
Up next, see how local educators are preparing for the potential rise in artificial intelligence use in college courses.